If you're into sports and you want to cash in on the boom in sports card prices, then listen up. It's Trade Talk Tuesday special sports card edition. Hey everyone, it's Brian. Welcome back to Trade Talk Tuesday. Today we're going to take a step back from my stock picks and we're going to follow up on my Michael Jordan sports card episodes because this trend remains red hot.
Yeah, but I'm a baseball player now.
Right. And I'm a Shakespearean actor.
Just as a reminder, I was the first one to pound the table on Michael Jordan sports cards as investable assets. Now, everybody knows about Michael Jordan's 86 Fleer rookie card. This thing, according to eBay results, has increased by about 370% following the release of ESPN's The Last Dance. But now, today, there's a new Jordan card that's setting records. Pull it up. Here it is. It's the 1997 Upper Deck game-worn All-Star Patch autograph. This card right here will go down as the most important and most influential sports card in history. At least one of them. And here's why. Think back for a second to the 1992 All-Star Game. Magic Johnson had just announced his retirement due to contracting HIV, but they let him play in one last All-Star game. Now, to commemorate this game, Upper Deck had this brilliant idea. They took Michael Jordan's game-worn All-Star jersey, and then they cut it up into pieces. And then they put those pieces onto special Michael Jordan insert cards. And then they inserted them randomly in packs for collectors to pull, right? Now, this represented the very first jersey patch card. The first one to ever see the market. And then just to make it even more rare, Upper Deck had Michael Jordan sign 23 of these. Get it? Number 23. So they were numbered 1 to 23, right? Now get this. This past October, the number 6 card of 23 just sold in a private auction. And the price, you ready? $2.7 million. This price set the record for the highest Michael Jordan item ever sold, right? So I know what you're thinking, right? Who out there watching this video has $2.7 million just lying around ready to buy this card? Well, nobody. Well, there's a better way, and that's where I'm going to tell you today. See, there's a company called Rally, and here's what they do. They offer fractional shares of cards just like this. So just like when you buy Apple stock, for example, you're buying a fractional share in Apple, the company, right? Well, now you could take the same approach to the world's most valuable and influential sports cards. So just recently, Rally offered fractional shares of the 1998 version of that Jordan jersey patch card that I just showed you. And what you could have done was bought fractional shares of this card for $30 each. I mean, this is a revolutionary way to trade sports cards like you trade stock. And this is a game changer for the hobby, and that's why I wanted to bring it to your attention today. Now, full disclosure, this particular Jordan offering, the $30 per share, this thing sold out fast, right? But if you go to Rally, you can get many different sports cards, a lot of cool stuff, and you could all trade fractional shares with it. So that's it. That's what I wanted to share with you today. Jordan remains red hot. We were on this trend. We'll continue to be on this trend. And thanks to Rally, you can now trade fractional shares of sports cards just like stock. If you like this episode and you want to get more of my trading and my investment picks, I invite you to sign up for my free e-letter. It's called Trade of the Day. And yeah, it's totally free. I'll give you one new pick every day. You're invited to get started. Click below and you could sign up right now. With that, I'm Brian. As always, stop hating, start trading, and cue my exit music.